Hi guys, this is MJ from Sherwood Dodge presenting you 2020 Ram Sport half-ton in granite. This is a full load sport you can buy in the market with 22-inch wheels, front and rear parking sensors. This one comes with power running board, so pretty good for a short guy like me. As soon as I open the door and I can jump on it. So it has 12-inch screen, full moon roof. You got heated seats, vented seats, as well as heated seats for the rear, trailer brake controller, and of course wireless charging right there. And of course, since this is half ton, so you might need box time to time. And once again, Ram take care of the short guy and the tall guy, so there is a step I can step on it and go in the box. So if you want to see and drive this truck, please give me a call, 780-802-4421, and we will go for a test drive. Thank you.